Hi, today's video we'll be looking at simplifying algebraic expressions. So let's look at the algebraic expression below. Remember we looked at what is an algebraic expression, right? In the last video. Right, so here we have an algebraic expression. 12a plus 7b plus 4a plus 10b. In order to simplify this algebraic expression, we must add all the like terms. There are different methods which we can do that. I'm going to show you the table method, which I have right here. So I'm going to show you how to do that, right? So to create a table, first we need to figure out, okay, what letters we already have in our expression. We have A and well B, right? So one heading will be A, one heading will be B. Now, we have 12A, so put 12 down first. Then we have 7B, so you put your 7 down there. Then we have plus 4, so plus 4, and then we have plus 10. And that's it. So let's just simplify our A's and our B's. So 12 plus 4 gives me 16A. And then the B's, we have 7 plus 10, which is 17B. Now my final answer, you must put the two things together. So my final answer is 16A plus 17B. Right? So you can't just leave it down like this in that table form. You must put it together, like to get that final answer. Right? So I just put that down here, wrote it down, sorry. Now you must put them together to get the final answer, 16A plus 17B. Now, there's another way you could do it, which is grouping your like terms. Meaning that, okay, this is my question here. 12A plus 7B plus 4A plus 10B. Meaning you put all the A's together and you put all the B's together. So we have 12A and then put the 4A next, plus 4A next to the 12A. Then we have 7 plus 7B plus 10B. And then E here is easier to see now. 12A plus 4A is 16A. 7B plus 10B is 17B. Simply add the numbers in your like terms. And this is my final answer here. You cannot bring this together. Think about it, like, because sometimes I see children put 16A, no, they will add the 16 and the 17, and they might get 33AB or something. That is wrong. You see, 16A plus 17B, the reason we can't simplify that further, it's like, say you have 16 apples and 17 bananas. You see, they're totally different. You can't add them together to say you have 33 apples, bananas. No, right? Apples, A, is different from B, right? The letters are different, so keep them separate. You can't bring that together to one. Just leave it just like that. So let's look at this next example here. In this question, we have the same variable, same letter throughout, which is y. So there are different ways we could do it. In this way I have typed out here is that you could rearrange it and all the additions together. So for example, this is my question here. 4y minus 6y plus 7y minus y. Meaning you can bring your positives together. Meaning I have 4y here. Carry this next to the positive 4y. So I get positive 7y. Then write back in negative 6y. And then you take away the y. So now it's easier to see here now. 4 plus 7 gives me 11. Then 11 take away 6. Right? Is 5. And 5 take away 1y is 4y. And that's how we get this here. And I also noted, whenever you see a letter by itself, y, that is the same as saying 1y. But if I have x by itself, I see as saying 1x. Now, you could have done it like this as well. 4y minus 6y plus 7y minus y. Now, remember, we did directed numbers. This is exactly why we did directed numbers first. You could have said, worked out this here first. 4y take away 6y. What is 4 take away 6? Smaller number take away a bigger number. You're going to get minus 2y. Then you're going to get plus 7 minus y. So now let's work out this piece here now. Minus 2y plus 7y, you're going to get 5y. And then we have to take away that extra y there to get 4y. Right? Alright, we're looking at another question. 3x minus 4 plus 7 minus 2x plus 4x. So you can group the like terms together. So meaning, you can put the x's together. So I get 3x. Then bring this minus 2x, then the plus 4x, and then write over the minus 4 plus 7. Right? And then 3 take away 2 is 1. 1x plus 4x is, and now minus 4 plus 7. Again, you go back to the direct numbers, right? Minus 4 plus 7, you're going to get plus 3. If you don't prefer this way and prefer the table, head up one heading as x and one as the constant. Remember, the constant is the numbers alone, right? So my first x value is 3. Then I have minus 4, so minus 4 is the constant. Then plus 7, so plus 7. Then we have minus 2x, so minus 2, and then plus 4. So let's go. 3 take away 2 is 1, and then plus 4 is 5x. And here minus 4 plus 7 will give me positive 3. And remember, I told you must put it together, right? To get your final answer there. You could choose any method you are comfortable with, right? And if you get in trouble with the minus 4 plus 7, you could use a calculator for now, but I try not to use a calculator. Use the number line then, right? So like 0, minus 4 is here, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, right? And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So you add minus 4 and you add in 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then that's how you get the 3, right? So get any habit of not depending too much on the calculator, right? And now we have a lovely exercise to look at. And in this exercise, we're going to simplify the expressions, the algebraic expressions. So, you could do it the table form. I'll do it the 2 ways for each case for you, right? Number 1 is pretty easy. All addition signs. 2x plus 4 plus 3 plus 5x. You can only add like terms, remember. So 2x plus 5x gives me 7x. And then plus 4 plus 3 gives me plus 7, right? If I wanted to have my little table form, this would be constant here. I have 2, then I have the 4, then plus 3, and then plus 5, and you will get your 7x plus 7, right? The next one, number 2. So in number 2, we could use the table form here first if you like. So we have x and y, right? So one heading is x, one is y. I have 6x, so 6, and then I have 5y, so I put the 5 under the y. Then I have 2x, so plus 2x, and then minus 3y, so minus 3. Let's work that out. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 take away 3 is 2. So this is 8x and 2y. So my final answer is 8x plus 2y. Now let's look at it straight from the question. 6x plus 2x is 8x, and then 5y take away 3y is 2y, right? Good. Often I see children just put 8x space 2y with nothing in between. You must put that sign in between, right? Alright, next one. So here we could do number 3 here. We have m and n. So now here we have 6m, so 6 plus 5n, so that's 5n there, minus 2m, so minus 2, minus 3n, so minus 3, plus 7m, plus n. Remember, plus n means that's the same as 1n, right? So 1. And let's just work it out there. So 6 minus 2 is 4, and then 4 plus 7 is 11, so 11m. 5 take away 3 is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 4. So you get 11m plus 4n. Again, you can look at it straight from here. 6m minus 2m is 4m. And then 4m plus 7m is 11m. And then the n's now. 5n, take away 3n is 2n. And then you add in 1, 4n. Good? Now let's look at number 4 and 5, which looks a little bit scary, but it's not too bad. So number 4, again, you don't have to use the table method. I'm just showing the table method in case some persons are comfortable with the table. So number 4, we have 8x squared minus 9y squared plus 13y squared minus x squared. So my two variables here is x squared. One heading will be x squared and one will be y squared. So let's go ahead now. So I have 18x squared, so I'll put the 18 under the x squared, minus 9y squared, so minus 9y squared, plus 13y squared, so plus 13y squared, so plus 13 comes out of the y squared, and then I have minus 6x squared, so minus 6x. So 18 minus 6 will give me 12, that's 12x squared, and now minus 9 plus 13 is 4y squared. So my answer is 12x squared plus 4y squared. And some of you are probably wondering how I know minus 9 plus 13 is 4, positive 4, right? Again, you can draw a number line, but I just want to show you. Minus 9 plus 13 is the same as saying plus 13 minus 9. And we know 13 minus 9 is positive 4, right? And again, you can look at it straight from here. 18x squared minus 6x squared is 12x squared. And then minus 9y squared, 13y squared. Or you can look at it as 13y squared, take away 9y squared, and you'll get your plus 4y squared. And now, number 5. We have 17ab plus 44cd minus 25ab plus cd. So my two variables here, ab, that's my first heading, and then I have CD. So I have 17AB, so I put the 17 under the AB. 44 plus 44 CD, so the 44 goes there under the CD. Minus 25 AB, so minus 25 goes under the AB. And plus CD. Remember, this is just one CD, right? So it just comes under there, plus. Right. Minus, so now we have 17 minus 25. 17 minus 25 gives me minus 8 AB. 44 plus 1 is 45 CD. So my answer is minus AB plus 45 CD. Again, you're probably wondering, how do I know that 17 minus 25? So a smaller number take away a bigger number, going to give you a negative number. And really and truly, 25 take away 17 is 8, so it's really negative 8, right? You're getting hung it, don't worry. Double check on the calculator again. If all else fails, use your number line. Your number line will never fail you, right? Right, and yeah, so 17AB minus 25AB gives me the 8 minus 8AB. And then plus 44CD plus 1CD will give me plus 45CD. And that's it. Take your time, try over these questions. It takes practice. Algebra takes practice. Do not give up, please. Do not. It takes practice. You can do it. So I'll see you all in my next video.